What's up guys, this is a review of these rubber feet replacement strips for my wife's HP Envy X360 convertible laptop. So I'll just quickly go over what we have in the package here and why these are so useful. So you have, of course, the two strips. They come on some plastic backing here. You have a spudger tool, really good quality, stainless steel, and has a rounded edge and a pointier edge with some knurling in the middle for a grip. And then we have some tweezers, fine point. And the reason why this was necessary for us was at a certain point while it was under warranty, we had to send it into HP, and you can see here that the rubber feet or the strips are completely gone. They just didn't reattach them very well. I guess when they came back, they started just coming off. I guess once they were first removed, it weakened the adhesive. So I tried to buy some replacement adhesive feet that were round, kind of like the ones you see on like older MacBooks, and I just kind of attached them in the four corners here, and those didn't last very well because of course they're not being held with any grooves or raised edges, so they're prone to being, you know, rubbed against and displaced. So these are going to be great. So I'm going to go ahead and attach them here now. They didn't really come with any instructions, but as it's pretty custom with things like this or things adhering, you'd want to go ahead and use some rubbing alcohol or isopropyl to just go ahead and like rub this area. Now I'm noticing that there are some little bits of plastic stripping here, and I'm honestly not sure whether I should remove that first or leave it in place. But let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and remove those so I can actually get this down onto the metal itself. Okay, so I went ahead and kind of made sure there wasn't any adhesive in the area where the strips are going to go, and I also tightened up the screws here just to make sure they're all snug. These ones over here kind of needed a little bit more. Most of these were solid, and these two were pretty decent as well. So we're going to go ahead and get the alcohol swab out. Okay, so we're just going to let that air dry for a few seconds. Next, we'll go ahead and start prepping our strips. And good use for the old microfiber, just make sure it's dry. So you really want to make sure you just kind of lay this down all the way to one side first. I found it best to just kind of keep most of it suspended in the air while you kind of line everything up. And that's it. So I won't bore you guys with the installation of both feet. That's pretty much how I found it's best to do this. Just kind of go from one edge to the other and lay it down. Overall, we'll see how well these last, and I may update my review if I have any issues, if they come off or anything like that, but I'm just going to continue to apply gentle pressure here for probably about a minute. Thanks for watching, guys.